Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to the National Weather Service Office, Missoula, Montana's fire weather briefing for July 9th, 2017. I'm Bob Nestor, Senior Meteorologist here, and let's get started with our briefing by showing our overlaid satellite and radar map this morning. Shows quite a bit of cloudiness in east central Idaho, mostly cumulus, towering cumulus clouds, even with a thunderstorm in central Idaho. These clouds will quickly develop later this morning and this afternoon across the Beaverhead Deer Lodge and the southern Bitterroots, where scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop by mid-afternoon. Some of these storms are also expected to develop across the East Lolo, West Lolo, and northern Bitterroots this afternoon. This is our area where we have our best potential for storms today. As noted, the Beaverhead Deer Lodge will see the best potential, as well as the southern Bitterroots. Storms that do occur today will have some strong gusty winds as the lower atmosphere is still really dry. Winds anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour are possible with some of these stronger storms. As the atmosphere kind of moistens up later in the day after a few storms have developed, it's possible that we see some brief heavy downpours of rain with some of these storms and maybe some light hail or small hail. As mentioned earlier, the further you go north, the coverage or potential for storms does weaken. However, we can't rule out a couple in the West Lolo and the northern Bitterroots. This scenario is also expected through Tuesday afternoon, as we are expecting a cold front to approach the region and help kick off some instability down here in the Beaverhead Deer Lodge once again. Two main impacts from this cold front. The first one being some breezy westerly winds both Monday and Tuesday afternoon, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 20 to maybe 25 miles per hour in some areas. Given that we haven't really had any wind in the last 4 or 5 days, it's going to feel like a big change. Also, we're expecting cooler temperatures behind this low, temperatures into the middle 80s. That's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than what we've experienced the last 4 or 5 days, so it will feel like a welcome relief. Along this front, we're looking at the possibility for some scattered showers and even a thunderstorm or two along the Canadian border into Glacier National Park and into the Kootenai in northwest Montana. However, this is going to be short-lived, as later this week, starting on Wednesday, more so into Thursday through Saturday, we're expecting that big ridge of high pressure to once again redevelop across much of the west. This actually looks to be a little bit of a stronger ridge over the area. And like this last event, we're expecting temperatures well back into the mid-90s to low 100s in areas. Lower Hells Canyon could easily see temperatures in the mid-100s to upper 100 degree mark, 105, 110. Strong thermal belts are going to return. Poor RH recoveries at night, anywhere from possibly 25% to 40% on the mid-slopes. Humidities during the day are going to be very low, down into the low and mid-teens. Light diurnal winds, the slope winds, upslope and downslope in the afternoon and evenings. And we're also looking at a potential for some monsoonal moisture to wrap around this high. But right now it's looking like mainly west central Montana, more likely in the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest. We could see a few thunderstorms each afternoon, Wednesday through Friday. This is well depicted from the Climate Prediction Center, their 6 to 10 day outlook. They have very high confidence in above normal temperatures next week and through the weekend, and some pretty decent confidence at below normal precipitation along the Canadian border and the Pacific Northwest and parts of the rest of the northern Rockies. So that's all I have. The next briefing is going to be Thursday on July 13th. As always, give us a call if you have a question. The number's listed here, 329-4716, or visit our website, weather.gov/Missoula. Hey, I hope everyone has a great end of their weekend. Good day.